Hello, Linda here from Barlates Body Blitz. No kitties in the view at the moment, but I've left the door open so maybe someone will come in looking for snackies. We're doing a very quick 10-minute posture improvement workout today. It's great for loosening up those shoulders if you have a desk job, stiff back, stiff shoulders. We're going to be doing everything on the mat, so all you need is yourself, a little bit of space and a mat. And we're doing 40 seconds per stretch so that we get a nice amount of time to hold some static stretches as well as more dynamic ones. Starting off with some really nice chest openers and then winding our arms around and just rotating lightly side to side and then opening again and other side. Okay, now if you cannot do this winding, maybe just put your hands together or just kind of come further down on your arm with that opposite hand. I'm going to press start on the timer. I'm sitting in this Z position. You can sit cross-legged here. So shoulders down and back, open, push your chest through. Then come in front, bend those arms, press against your palms if you're doing the same position as me. Go side to side a couple of times and then open. And the other arm on top. Now one of your sides may be a little bit stiffer than the other. Mine definitely is. So just take it easy and modify if you need to. You don't have to come all the way touching your palms. Some people are really good at this and some people find it really difficult. So just go at your level. Nice job. Now we're going to interlace, pull up overhead, stretch to one side, pushing those palms to that opposite corner, and then release and round behind, opening through the chest. Again, bring your hands together, push up overhead, push to one side, nice tall spine, the other side, come back to center and release those arms, rounding towards the back. And again, up, 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 push. Pull the shoulders down as you push your arms away. That's the key. All the way back. Deep breaths. Push and all the way back. Nice job. Okay, we're going to come into a crouching position. This may not be for everyone. If you need to come up higher, put your hands on a chair, you can. We're just going to kind of hang out here for a minute, keep our chest nice and tall, and if you can, put this heel down, put your arm close by that foot and reach up to the ceiling. One deep breath, come back to center, and now shift to the other side so you can lift this heel is down, hand is by the foot, push against that knee and up to the ceiling. If you are able to keep both your heels down here and do the same thing, you definitely can. Let's just finish one more on this side, even though we're going overtime. And up to the ceiling. Nice job. Now come into a straddle position. You come as wide as you're able to. Maybe you can't come as wide as me. And we're going to reach both our hands to the outside of our foot. Grab onto that foot if you can and push your fingertips across to the opposite side of the room. Come down as far as you're able to and then windmill your arms to the other side. Hold on and blow out all the air and really reach those fingertips. One more time across and reach, and other way across and reach. Nice job. So from here, we're going to stay in the same position. We're going to windmill one arm back, bend this leg and stretch up. So same arm, same leg. Then windmill the other arm to the center, bend the other leg, and you're stretching up and back. Lifting that butt off. One more. Up, up, up. Bend the leg. Stretch your hips forward. And again. Up, up, up. Bend and of course, if you don't like coming up on that foot, then you can just stay here and really kind of arch your back. One more time this way. Nice job. Now let's come into a child's pose position with your knees apart and just press your palms down and your armpits towards the mat. Knees apart, toes together. From here, I want you to push forward and then come down and push your chest up just as far as you're able to into a cobra position. Deep breath in. Now come down again, push yourself back into child's pose. Deep breath in, push yourself forward, come down first, and then push up. Keep your hips on the mat. Nice job. Okay, so now we're going to come back into child's pose. And as we come forward, we're going to pick up our knees and come into a plank and then dip our hips down. So from here, you can come back, flatten those feet, then curl the toes under, push forward into a plank, and then chest up to the ceiling, hips down. One more time, go all the way back. Deep breath. Curl the toes under, shoot forward into a plank, and then chest up. Nice job. Okay, we're going to lay all the way down and do a scorpion type move. So come down, the back arm is straight, the front arm is boxed out. Bend your front leg and now push that knee up to the ceiling. This is an amazing stretch for your shoulder, that back arm. Now come back down and we're going to change it up. Front arm, back arm boxes out and push your knee up to the ceiling. Now if you can't come all the way over with your knee, it's okay to be a little bit less rotated. And again, to the back. And again, to the front. That is an amazing stretch. Now we're going to wrap our arms around with our palms up, slide them out, and then drop the weight of your upper body down onto those arms. If this is a bit awkward for you, you can do this exact same exercise in a child's pose position and kind of allow your knees to help keep your body up. So this again is exactly the same stretch, but a little bit less intense. Down here, you kind of have to have all your weight over those arms. Really feeling that. Breathing through it. Okay, push yourself up. Let's go back into a cross-legged position, and I want you to come up and really reach and then pull your elbows down behind. Up, try to keep your arms behind your head and then pull those elbows down behind. Up, really nice and tall. Push your shoulders away from your ears and pull down. Imagine you're pulling a heavy cable down from the ceiling, really opening through the shoulders and chest. Again, up, up, and one more time, and down. Nice job. I'm just going to sit back in the Z position because I've got this hip issue here. We're going to wrap our arms around as if we're giving ourselves a big hug and pull our shoulders down. Really pushing down on those shoulders so you feel your neck and your traps stretching. And then we're going to go the other way, so the other arm is on top. Give yourself a big hug and push down, long neck. Deep breath. One more time each way, a little bit faster. Out and across. Push down. and out and across, push down. Okay, so this next one, if you want a bit more range of motion, you can come up into a kneeling position. We're going to windmill our arm to the back and reach. Then come to the other side, windmill the arm to the back and reach. Now, can you do both? All the way back, and just put your fingertips down and push your chest forward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Now, if you can you interlace your hands and come all the way back, and then interlace again at the bottom and lean forward. And here's Yoda gracing us with his presence. This is our last exercise. So he came in just at the right moment. Hello, darling, our little boy. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that opening stretch. It really should leave you feeling open through the chest. Your shoulders should feel looser, even your top of your arms, and definitely your upper back as well. A lot of the exercises were stretching open from the front, because when we're working at a desk, we often kind of hunch over, so we wanted to counteract a lot of that. So I hope that helped you in some way, and I'll be back with another one very soon. Bye for now. Darling, you are such a good boy. Are you not the best boy? Are you not the best boy? You're so...